Good morning, students. Today's class, the revision continuation of your first chapter, and today will be the last. From Monday, we will be starting a new chapter. So, starting a business. So, what are the factors we need to see for starting a business? Okay, for to run a successful business, what and all the factors have been involved, we will be seeing. So, there are 10 factors. I have been divided into sections. First 5 points in one section and the other 5 points in one section have been divided. Today I will go in one fledge for the revision explanation. So first one is selection of line of business. So first the entrepreneur need to select what type of new business he need to start. Okay, whether he can start industry or he can start commerce according to his idea and fund available for him. Okay, so the first and foremost thing in starting a business is selection of line, whether I may be able to run a industry or I may need to start a commerce, okay, e-business, okay, a business where production is not taking place, okay, that is called commerce. Where production is taking place, that is called as industry. So first he need to see whether he can start, okay, what line he required, okay, according to his funds and idea available for him in the nature. Next is size of the firm. So initially when a new business is starting, all the entrepreneur will be starting in a smaller way, okay, in small scale only they will start. After that, when it is coming in the success line, day by day or year by year, they will observe the line of the business whether it is increase or declining. According to that, he will expand. What he will do, he will expand his business. Okay, so initially when a firm has been newly established, they will not establish in the large scale, they will establish in small scale to observe the business. And simultaneously you need to compare, okay, what according to the line of the business, whether the firm size should be big or small. Okay, so factors of area where your plant machinery, all those things will be included for your size of firm. Next is choose for a form of ownership, okay, whether he can run sole proprietor, whether he can run the business by himself only, or whether he need partnership, okay, where he can join with his friends or other people who are in the same line of investing, okay, who have the same idea, who want to start a new business, okay, with them he can join a hand, okay, or corporate, whether he need to starter companies, okay, or other things, okay, the joint stock companies where you need to put everyone together and you will be starting. Okay, so if it is a sole proprietor, where the losses will be paid by only him and profit will be enjoyed by only him. But if it is in partnership where they share, okay, all the profit will be shared, all the losses will be shared according to the investment made by them. So choosing of ownership also is an important factor, where he need to choose whether only he will be running the business or he need any partner with him. Then location of business entrepreneurs, okay, the location, as I've been explained, okay, location plays a very important role for all the business. Okay, I cannot start the business where no one is there in that location. Okay, even for my production also it will be affecting. Okay, so because where people are not there, I cannot start the company, because the employee who comes and goes also will be having lot of problem for traveling, inconvenience will be there, all those things will be there. So I need to see the location in the center of the city where the people move more. Okay, and my business should be such an attractive place where I can run my business all the day. So location is an important place. See, I have been explained you about McDonald's and Burger King, Domino's and all, where these people mainly locate in malls. Where they locate in malls where people have been crowded. Okay, where shopping centers are there, your malls is there, where people go every often places. Okay, like that. Your example is your MG Road, Indra Nagar, Subhaj Nagar, like this, okay, all your malls, okay, let it be from your Forum, Garuda Mall, Orient Mall, Signature Mall, all the malls will be having KFC, McDonald's, Burger King, Domino's, Pizza Hut. See the locations where they see is that is our the junk food. Okay, this is our food, junk food that are being sold, but the location plays an important role for them, because people will, for malls, at least for window shopping they will go, or to get together they go for with friends. Okay, all those things are there. So everything put here, where location plays an important role for the successful business. Then financing the proportion, okay, the fund which I have with me, I need to distribute according to the requirement of the business. If I need a land for my business, what is the land I need? Only so much land for time being I need to purchase. I couldn't invest all my funds in land. For missionary I will not be having money, for building I will not be having, to run the business I will not be having money. I should not put in such a situation where my funds, everything is been logged, okay, it has been logged in one resources. So for buying raw materials, okay, to sell the finished goods, for everything I need to manage my funds and keep the funds with me in the hand. And for always, for safer side, I should have some funds in the hand to run the business, because risk or uncertainty, changes or uncertainty, at what time, okay, what will happen, I cannot examine. So always funds should be in the hand, and it should be distributed according to the proportion what we needed for the business. Then physical facilities. See, as I've told, physical facilities must be in the environment, business environment, where labor, your machinery, equipments, building, all these are the physical supporting services for the business. See, I have been explained here about one school, okay. So physical facility is where the school should be there, building should be there, library should be there, okay. Then your lab should be there, sports room should be there, ground should be there, canteen should be there, traveling van should be there. All this are put and extra additional facilities, for physical facilities for a school to run in a success way. Like that, even in a company there should be proper machineries available, okay, raw materials available on time, then safeties of the labor should be there, whatever is required, okay, let it be from your internet to the table, okay, the place, everything should be available for the employees to run your business in successful. So physical facilities are important to run a business in successful way. Then plant layout is an first and foremost thing in your business. See, once you arrange a plant layout, you cannot change often your plant layout. So plant layout should be arranged in such a way where I need not change the layout again. I need to arrange in such a way where each and everything is been linked simultaneously with one with other one, without disturbing any department. So one department, if work is happening, the other department should not be disturbed. So I need to arrange my plant layout in such a way, and my machinery, everything should be segregated in that way. Then competitive and committed workforce, okay, where all the employers should be competitive with each other, okay, in the organization only, to overcome the competitors outside, and the commitment to the work should be there. So everyone should be having teamwork is most important here. Teamwork should be there to have a committed workforce. Then tax planning, a business always need to plan its tax, okay, on building, what is invested on machinery, what is invested on purchase, on sales, okay, each and everything will be taxed. So tax planning is very important, where he pays the tax to the government regularly on all the items. So the auditor or the accountant of the company need to plan is tax, okay, for the company where he is not having losses after paying the taxes. In such a way the tax planning should be happened. Then launching the entrepreneurs, okay, after deciding all these things you need to start up a business with mobilizing of, okay, with sales promotion, all those things you need to start up where he will be fully in the successful way. So by this your chapter gets end. So from Monday I will be starting a new chapter, that is formation of organization. Thank you, students.